How are you? I think you are doing well at your home. How is your lifetime days? Are you enjoying or feeling bored? So I think you are doing the both. Okay. I'm as Prem Kumari, working as school assistant English at GTW GHS School, Hadabangi, and I'm here to explain you about the new model paper, that is our English subject, and which is going to be held in the month of July 2020. So here is the model paper, SSC Public Examination, July 2020. English new model paper. Come friend. Okay, and your paper is for 100 marks and time is for 3 hours and 15 minutes. So you have to read out the whole paper carefully to answer the paper. Earlier we used to have 2 papers. Now we are going to write in only 1 paper, that is for 100 marks. And for in this paper we have section A for 30 marks, section B for 40 marks, section C for 30 marks. So totally we have the paper for 100 marks. So here from section A, that is reading comprehension, that is for 30 marks. Here we have from question number 1 to question number 5. Here you will be given a passage, comprehension passage. You have to go through the passage carefully. You read the passage very carefully so that you can answer the answers. So here you will be given a question from a passage from A reading, that is from paper 1 question. Here total 5 questions will be given, 2 WH questions and 3 MCQs questions. So all these 5 questions, each one carry 2 marks, that is for 10 marks. Next, question number 6 to 8. Here the passage will be given from B reading, that is from poem. It is also from paper 1. Here 3 MCQs will be given, and for each 3 questions, each 2 marks, that is for 6 marks. And next one is from question number 9 and 11. This is also from B reading and it is from prose, and it is also from paper 1. Here 2 MC questions will be given. Each one carries 2 marks, that is for 4 marks. Next, question number 11 to 15. Study skills based on data. And this is the question from paper 2. Here total 5 questions will be given, 2 WH questions and 3 MCQs. Here also each one carries 2 marks, that is 10 marks. Here the information, the data will be given in table format, and this is the one of the easiest question for you. So totally 30 marks. Next, coming to section B, that is grammar and vocabulary. Here grammar and vocabulary both are given in one section, and that is for 40 marks. Coming to question number 16. Combine the sentences using relative clauses. That means the question will be asked, combine the sentence with who, which or that. And here earlier we used to have 1 mark, now it is for 2 marks, that is totally 2 marks. Next one is change the voice, that is from paper 1, and here 1 question will be given. Each one carries 2 marks, that is 2 marks. Next, coming to 18th question, combine the sentence using linkers. Here so many linkers are there: as, because, besides, so that, such that, although, though. So anyone can be, anyone you can, you will be asked. So here also 1 question will be given, 2 marks each one and 2 marks. Next one, question number 19, fill in the blanks with prepositions. This is also from paper 1. Here 2 questions will be given. Each one carries 1 mark, totally 2 marks. Next, question number 20, fill in the blanks with suitable verb forms. This is also from paper 1 question. Here 2 questions will be given. Each one carries 1 mark, totally marks. Next, question number 21, advices. This is also from paper 1. One question will be given. Each one carries 2 marks. Totally 2 marks. Next, question number 22, change the following into polite request. This is also from paper 1. One question will be given. Each one carries 2 marks. That is 2 marks. Next, question number 23, what do the following sentence mean? Choose the right one. Here options will be given. You have to choose the correct option. 2 questions will be given. Each one carries 1 mark. Totally 2 marks. Next, the important one, that is 24th one. Choose the right synonyms. In the box you will be given 5 to 6 words. You have to select the correct synonym and you have to answer. Here 4 options will be given and 4 each one carries 1 mark, that is 4 marks. Next one is match the column A with antonyms in column B. This is from paper 2. Here also 4 antonyms will be given. You have to match it with column A to column B, and here 4 will be given. Each one 1 mark, that is 4 marks. Next, question number 26. Fill in the blanks with the right form of the word, that is from paper 2. Here also 4 options will be given, 4 dashes will be given. You have to write down the right one. Means here 4 will be given, 1 mark, and totally 4 marks. Next, question number 27. Complete the following spellings with AE, EA, IA, IU, OO, OU, etc. That means oval cluster. So you have to use only oval words. This is from paper 2. 2 questions will be given. Each one 1 mark and 2 marks. Next, question number 28. Fill in the blanks with correct suffixes. Here also 2 suffixes will be given. Each one 1 mark and 2 marks totally. So, next one, question number 29. Find the wrong spelled words and write the correct spelling. You have to identify the wrong spelling and you have to write the correct one. And this is from paper 2. 2 questions will be given. Each one carries 1 mark and totally 2 marks. Next, question number 30. That is the dictionary skills. Here one dictionary entry will be given. You have to answer 2 questions. And each one carries 1 mark, that is equal to 2 marks. Next, question number 31. Arrange the following words under the correct heading. So, here 8 words will be given. Each one carries 1/4 mark, that is 2 marks. Next one is 32. 1 word substitution, and this will be given in the form of matching. And here also 4 into half is equal to 2 marks. So, totally these section B consists of 40 marks. Next, coming to section C, creative writing. So, here in question number 23, we have conversation or diary entry. Means you can write any one of it. So, each one carries 10 marks and this is from paper 1. Next one, question number 34, that is letter writing or biographical sketch. You can either write letter writing or biography, and this is also one question. It carries 10 marks. So, you totally 10 marks. Next, 35th question, that is framing WH questions or information transfer. Means here one passage will be given, 5 sentences will be underlined, and you have to frame WH questions. Next one, this is information transfer. Means information will be given in the format of any table or pie chart or anything. Then we have to write that table into a paragraph. So this is also 10 marks question. So totally 3 questions, 3 times. So 30 marks. Means so children, I think you have understood whole paper. So I think you can do well for your exams. So children, stay home, stay safe. So avoid going outside and please wear a mask while going out, and always carry a sanitizer or hand wash with you. So children, all the best for your exams. Thank you.